Good morning students, welcome to your relearning classes. Now this is your EVS class, so let's start. Good morning all of you. So in the last classes we have already completed our chapter season. Okay. Question answer already completed. Answer the following question. What is the difference between weather and season? We have already completed, then I repeat again. Weather is the condition of the air at a particular time, it is called weather. Weather is the condition. Okay Lisa, very good. When I will give a submission date, then you will submit, okay, your EVS project. So weather is the condition of the air at a particular time, it is called weather. And what is season? When we have the same weather for a long time, it is called season. Okay? When we have the same weather for a long time, it is called season. Next, that is question number 2. Which type of clothes do you wear in summer? So we wear light cotton clothes in summer. Yes, very good, Devapriya. And name the different types of season. That's in our country. There are 3 main seasons, that's are summer, rainy and winter, and 2 short seasons, these are spring and autumn. Okay. So next, that is doing time, complete the table. Okay. So all of you do it fast, complete. Next number, that is season, summer, winter, spring and rainy, months, fruits and clothes. Okay. So first, that is summer. Summer, which month summer? First, write down. Summer, which months? First, write down the answer. Yes, April, May. All of you mute your microphone. Indrakshi, mute your microphone. Yes, May and June. Okay. So summer season is May and June. Next, fruits, mango, lychee and clothes we wear, yes, April also, April, May, June, and clothes is cotton cloths. Okay. C-O-T-T-O-N, cotton cloths. Next, that is number 2, winter. Winter season, which months? Now, January and February. Okay. Okay, December, January, February or December also. February, not February, January, December and January. D-E-C-E-M-B-E-R and January. Next, fruits, orange, Which fruits? Orange. Yes. And cloths. Yes, apple also. Orange, apple. Woolen cloths. Okay? Yes. Next, that is spring. Next season, number 3, that is spring. Spring season, which months? March or April. Okay, or February or March. March or April. Which fruits? In spring season, grapes also. Grapes, grapes. And which cloths? Grapes, watermelon. Yes, grapes, watermelon also. Watermelon. We use cotton cloths also. Yes, light cotton cloths. And in rainy season, next is number 4, that is rainy. Rainy season, which months? Yes, also very good, black grapes also. June, July or July, August. Okay. July, August. Which fruits for in this season? Jackfruit. Jackfruit. Palm. Okay. And we use raincoats. We use raincoat, gumboot, umbrella. UMBRELLA. UMBRE. Okay. Yes. So already completed this table. Summer, May, June. Which fruit? Mango, lychee, watermelon also, and we use cotton cloths. Winter season, December, January. Fruits, orange, apple. We use woolen cloths. Next, that is spring season, March, April, grapes, watermelon. We use cotton cloths also. Rainy season, July, August months. Jackfruit, plum, and raincoat. That is tal, means palm, P-A-L-M, palm. Okay. Yes. And raincoat, July, August, jackfruit. Fruits are jackfruits, palm. We use raincoat, gumboot, umbrella also. So completed this table, all of you complete? Okay, very good. Next, color the picture of the season you like more and complete the sentence to tell why you like it. Okay, this page. So this is number first. Which season? This number first picture. This picture. Which season? That is winter. So I like winter because we you use in winter Yes, page number 102. So first picture, that is winter, and next picture, picture number 2, that is rainy season. Okay, so anyhow, winter or rainy season. In winter I like winter season because many festivals occurred. Okay, or rainy season, in rainy season I like rainy season. Okay, so first picture, that is because the time of play Holi, very good. In spring season, so first one, number B, that is first picture, that is winter, and number 2 picture, that is rainy season. Or you can write down any season, that is like spring or autumn. Okay, or summer season also. So in summer season you can you have cold drinks, ice cream in this season. And in winter we can get different types of fruits like orange, apples. Okay, and different festivals, fair, book fair, okay, are occurred. So next, activity sheet. Yes, very good, Devasmita. I like Christmas because the Santa. Okay. And next, that is activity sheet 4. Next page, page number 103. What do you feel about the topic do not hurt animals, and discuss in the class. Okay, in animals our friends, and we should not hurt them. Yes, very good, Oshmi. I like winter because in winter season it very nice. The cold wind blows, very good. Are any? Only 2, 3. Devasmita, Lisa and Oshmi. Rest of the student write down the answer. And Hrithi also spring because it is the time to play Holi. And anyone? Which picture? Devasmita. Ma'am, one picture color. Okay. You can color any one picture. Okay. Or winter or rainy season. I like rainy season. Devapriya, very good. Ma'am, my mom like winter. Very good, Hrithi. Okay. So next, plan a visit to the zoo. Next page, okay, this page. Orpon, very good. Ankita, very good. Okay, Lisa, very good. This page, all of you see. Make models of different means of transport. Okay, you can draw or you can make models. Devasmita, very good. Different types. Achha, next page. Okay, page number 103. You can make any models of different types of transport like boat, aeroplane. Okay, you can do this in your home also. This topic, make models of different means of transport. Very good, Kritika. And this making boats using papers and make a train using. Riddhi, ma'am, why you remove me? No, I do not remove you. you can do this, make boats using papers and make a train using boxes, okay. And find out 6 animals. Next question number C, find out 6 animals hidden in this animal puzzle. Do it fast. Any 6 animals. Okay, very good Ashmit. Next page Ashmit, question page number 103, question number C. Question number C, all of you write down these 6 pages. Yes, elephant, zebra, tiger, horse, cow. Very good. Yes. Deboshmita, ma'am, I only find 5 animals. Okay, elephant, zebra, tiger, horse and cow. Deer, where is deer? Deer portion? Debo, deer. Okay, only 5 animals, okay. So that is first the head, yes, leg is there also, okay. So first head portion, that is elephant, body, that is tiger, and the rest of the part, that is horse, zebra, the front leg, that is zebra, and the previous leg, that is deer. Okay, 5 or 6 anyhow, I write down only 5 animals. Number 1, that is zebra, elephant, number 3, that is tiger, that is cow, and number 5, that is horse. Only 5 animals are hidden, okay. And 1 leg also, that is deer maybe, okay. So I write down only 5, zebra, elephant, tiger, cow and horse. Okay, all of you write down this answer. No camel, it is deer. No Osmi, sorry, no Hridi. So completed this work, and now this time is over.